children. How are you? Are you with a fresh mind to listen the one story? It is a real one. So that is true height. That is not the false. That is the true height. So what is the true height we are going to know? Here the person is Michael Stone. Michael Stone is the name of the boy. Actually, what was the dream? What was his achievements? How he dreams became true? We are going to know everything about the Michael Stone. Actually, Michael Stone, when he was a child, really he was so active. He never be an idle. He was running, he was jumping, he was cycling, and also in addition he had a dream. The dream is to fly away, to fly higher than like an eagle. Have you seen how the eagle going to fly higher and higher? When it went up into the sky, it looks very small. The type of the ambition Michael Stone had. Is this the possible, ma? Yes, it is the possible. Michael Stone made it possible, which is not the impossible. He made it possible. That is a very fine story. Really, after listening, after completing the lesson, definitely we are going to get one inspiration from listening the Michael Stone. It will start. All of you listen carefully. Don't be neglect. So you have to be careful. You have to show the concentration. So when he was a child, I told you he had a dream. The dream is to fly higher and higher like an eagle. So to fly, but lead person cannot fly. No, they should need the strength. So when he got that dream, what the Michael Stone was doing? He was cycling, he was going to the gymnasium to get the body good condition, like just like a bodybuilder. So he was practicing. He was waiting for the when I'll get the opportunity to fly away in the sky like an eagle. Like that he was thinking, but he never feel bored. He was practicing with a happy mood, Then when he was practicing, here what happened? Then he wants to one day he got the chance to compete in the National Junior Olympics. National Junior Olympics. That is the game. He was waiting for that. So he wanted to participate in the Olympic Games. He was a small boy. He was not a young one. He was growing. So when he got the chance to feel, that was a very hardest task. That's a very hardest task. So when he got the dream, but he was not feeling like that. He was practicing every day. So one day wrestling and one day running. Where he was running? No, he was running not in the Pakka road, Kacha road, which road is full of the mud and small stones. So when he was running, the dirt also touched the feet. Though he never came. His dream was to fly away. So when he was running, he was not feeling bored. He was happy. When he was running through the Kacha road, he was feeling happy. Then in addition, what we are going to know? Then the day came. The full ground was filled with the more people. What is the number? 20,000 people gathered there to see the what Michael Stone going to do. That Michael Stone's game is, what is that one, ma? Do you know that one? That is the pole vaulting. Pole vaulting game means here like this. These two are the pole. They kept one pole like this. They have to, those who want to jump over the this pole, they should not touch. When they touch, they fail. So he was practicing practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. So that perfection we are going to see in the Michael stone. So with the help of the bamboo, they have to run from the far. Then with the help of the bamboo, they have to jump over this bamboo. Those who touch that one, they fail. Those who go higher than this bamboo, they got the first one. So he was. This aim was too height. Height means higher than the two-storied building. Higher than the two-storied building. You can imagine two-storied building. So his aim is to run over the higher than the two-storied building. So with that aim, his dream was I have to fly in the sky. When he was thinking like that, so what happened? In addition, besides that, parents also encouraging Michael Stone. How mother used to read the numerous stories, uncountable stories about the flying. The mother used to tell these stories to Michael Stone. When he was listening the story, his mind was fully concentrated. I have to run, I have to do, I have to get the success like that by listening the stories of the mother. So like that mother helped him. Then father not getting any dream, but father wanted to be as a coach, as a responsible person to give the training to the Michael Stone. Here both mother and father also encourage the Michael Stone. So how happy no ma? From the beginning, Michael Stone was very good boy, very honest one. So whenever he got the dream, he was not neglecting, he was practicing, he was not taking whatever work he had, but simultaneously he was doing these exercises also. So mother used to tell the stories about the flying, and father used to tell, what is that word no? If you want something, work it. What a wonderful parents, no? If you want something, you work it. So we have to, whenever we will do anything, whenever we think anything, we have to get, we have to do. Otherwise we can't think. We should not think. But here, Michael Stone's father was giving the one suggestion: if you want something, go for it. Then these two words, these two sentences, what the parent gave, he remembered. He kept in the mind. He didn't leave. But nowadays, what the children say is, whenever parents say anything, you shut, you don't know anything. You didn't read, you didn't study, you don't have any education. Like that, they will give the back answer. But here, from the Michael Stone, you have to remember, you have to think, the Michael Stone didn't say anything, any back answer. Why father, what you are saying like this? Why mommy like this? He didn't say. Because he needs the sentences. He needs the suggestions. So, whenever they given, he got a very good strength. He was so happy by listening the story and by saying the good advice of the father. When he was doing like that, what happened here? He was started. Then his hand, the palms are sweating. So have you seen whenever they are playing, their palms are sweating. They wanted the towel to dry it. No grip is there, no. So to dry the palm, they take the towel to wipe the hand, and automatically they take the rest, they drink the water. They will be doing like that. Maybe you have seen so many times, Mama, those who are playing the cricket and then tennis court and then a shuttle like that. So they come and sit and put the towel and take some rest and then drinking the water and going. So here this Michael Stone was feeling so tired, that was nervous. How can? But he was feeling nervous, but he was not taking back. He wants to go forward. That is the challenging one. He took the challenge, though that is the hardest one. He wants to jump. My aim, my dream, I want to be like that. Michael Stone was thinking. So here we are going to see the three points. What is the number one is, that is known as the 3D. That is known as the 3D. What are the words? Start with the D. Number one is the dedication. And number 2 is the determination. Number 2 is the determination. Number 3 is the discipline. Whenever you want to success in your dream, to get the achievement, your goal is, you should meet the dedication, determination and the discipline. Discipline means you should have one plan how to get my aim, how I have to achieve my dream. So these three are very important. One is the dedication. We have to dedicate our work. But here Michael Stone dedicating his life to fly away. Without the dedication, we can't do. Next one is the determination. He decides how to do. Then almost all these three are the very important to the Michael Stone. So these three words expecting from the Michael Stone. Who was expecting? Father acting as a coach. He was the follower, he was the coach, he was the trainer also. So father was expecting these three from the Michael Stone. So he found father knows his mentality. Then he was indirectly, he was giving the coach, he was giving the training to the Michael Stone. Then afterward, this day came. Then not only he was practicing the exercising the gymnastic and running and walking and doing everything. Though he had more work, how he was? He was a very honest one. The boy was very honest one. Honest means whatever parents say, he was listening. He was not giving the back answer. How? Michael Stone was helping parents in their work. What a good boy. He was practicing to fly away, and besides, he was helping the parents in their work. So when he was doing, nearly that was a blessing, no ma? So when he was practicing, he was waiting for that final day. For example, any game, they will take the first step, second step, third step. Those who are coming first and two last one, they will be going to the finals. But here also we are going to see the two person came into the final. That was the first day. Then here only these two are getting the chance to do the whole volunteering. Okay ma? Then when he was practicing, what happened here? No, his whole 17 feet. He has to fly away the 17 feet. 17 feet is the highest one. So when he was practicing first person before the Michael Stone, the person went and touched this one. Those who gathered in the ground all said shh like that. They mean hello, saying like that. Then he knew maybe the person missed the chance to the final. Who was thinking? Michael Stone was thinking. Whenever there was a silence, he knew, but he didn't see. He knew the person missed the chance. Then now next chance is Michael Stone. Next chance is Michael Stone. And Michael Stone, feeling nervous, and what to do, like that. He himself was thinking, was feeling. And suddenly he remembered what mother said. No, when you are feeling tension, when you are feeling fear, you must take the long breath like that. Long breath like that. He took long breath. Though he was feeling nervous, his palms are sweating. He was not thinking bad. He was thinking how to get. But when he was feeling nervously, his hands or his palms were sweating. But suddenly, what mother said, he remembered and taking the long breath. Though there was no answer. But finally, what happened? No, he started to run. My dear student, see what is the confidence here? When he started with the full power, he ran over the 17 feet, 2 inches over and 3 inches over and 4 inches. He got the success. When he ran over the 17 feet, that is the true height. higher than the two-storied building. Whenever he was flying very light way like this, he was getting the pure smell and then finest smell in the air. Then he came like that. He was feeling very light and came down. All people clapped there. All people clapped. Then he was thinking, my father was smiling. Not only smiling, my father was laughing. Like that. He was imagining. He was going to hug my mother. Both will be crying. Then he thought, and then all the people surround the microstone. They were saying, hearty congratulations. Hearty congratulations. How it possible, ma? Practice makes a man perfect. And second one is the determination, dedication, and then discipline. Discipline is a very important one. Those who wanted to do anything, you have to be follow. These three are important ones. Without the determination, without the concentration also, without the hard work also, we cannot do anything. This is the highly impossible one. But he made it possible only with this one. Not only at that, besides he was helpful to the parents. He was not giving the back answer. He was very good, but he was an honest one. Then almost all you listened how he got the success. Then last one, but all points you may be remembered. The last one, this boy was blind. How he became blind, no? Then when he was a child, he was running and doing everything. Then suddenly at the age of the 42, he got the one disease. The disease is blindness, morning blindness and color blindness, and then night blindness. With this, he went to the doctor. Then in the year of the 2006, the doctors diagnosed, confirmed he was a blind one. But now, though he was a blind, he worked hard with the concentration. What he got the dream, it became the true. It became the true. How? With the hard work. So, my dear student, you are also reading, but with the concentration, with the hard work. I told you so many times. So, without the concentration, we can't do anything. Now, Michael Stone, what he was doing, now he is alive. What he is doing now? Now he was working as a performance coach and personal trainer in Stepping Stone Sport. He was starting the Stepping Stone for other people, those who are like the Michael Stone. He wants to give the training. He was a trainer, he was a coach. That coach center is known as the Stepping Stone Sport to the challenged people. So those who want to challenge like the Michael Stone, he started one training center, that is the Stepping Stone. Now, mother name Mildred Stone, father name Beth Stone. These two encourage the son to come up in the big one. So I'll give 3 examples. Then you know Wilma Rudolph. Wilma Rudolph also, due to the fever, her leg was the paralyzed one. The doctor suggested not to keep the leg on the earth. But with the mummy's suggestion, mummy what you do? My dear child, if you have a faith, you go forward. No need to look back. So whatever mummy said, she listened mummy's word. She removed the bracelet. Maybe you listened the story, remembered. She removed the bracelet and she started the running. What is her dream? No, I want to become the fastest women runner in the world. Like that only, she became the fastest runner. She defeated the who was the world recorder, Hannah Judd. So she removed that one. Now she was the first one. Like that, Glenn also, when his leg was burnt one, doctor suggested your leg should be amputated. But what Glenn told, no, I want to walk. Tomorrow I am going to, next week I am going to walk. Like that only, not to walk. he started running against the trains. Now the boy name is Run Boy Run. Her dreams also became true. I want to become the fastest runner. Now he was the runner, and not only that, but also one more, Abraham Lincoln. When Abraham Lincoln started to read the Washington, who was the first president of America, several times he read the book. Then what he decided, what he got the inspiration, I want to become a president of America at any time. That is his dream. Then I wanted to become. And second one, I will become. But Abraham Lincoln parents are very poor. Then what he got a very good idea. I will become. Will is a strong determination. I will become. The third one, he became 16th president of America. So my dear student, whenever you think about your future, when you got any dream, you have to be serious, dedicate yourself, and determination should be there, concentration. Definitely your dreams also become true. So these three also examples, the real one. Then my dear student, you should need, nowadays you should need the concentration, and hard work is a very, very important. But which is the impossible, Michael Stone made it possible. Can't you, ma? God gave the nice part. With your parts, what you're doing? You are doing all the unnecessary things. So better you do the all good one. You have to get the good inspiration. You take the model of all those things. You be like that. Can you, ma? Okay? You yourself take the one promise. I'll be like that. Why can't my dream become true? You have to make it like that. Okay? Have you understood? Okay, all the meanings right in your classwork. Okay, thank you.